Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Yusuf Broman, and thank you for watching my videos. If you have any question, you can put on the comments. If you want to support me, you can subscribe and like. And today we're gonna make a turtle, like turtle function, but no, like we can make a drawing turtle that's draw on a page like this. Wait, here we can draw on it. Now how are we gonna do it? Let's continue to the video to know all of them. Okay, first we write from the turtle, import turtle and screen. Okay guys, we say from the turtle, like we haven't any the, like from the turtle. We say from turtle, import turtle slash screen. We like from the turtle function, import the turtle with the screen. Screen is that screen when you press run, this match page is gonna load up, and this is the screen, and the turtle is this turtle, but on the first that's a default turtle, like having any shape like first, but we're gonna make it. Okay, we say from turtle, import turtle and screens, and then we say Tim is equal to turtle, means turtle name is changed to Tim or team. I don't know what we're gonna say it. And the screen, the big screen, is equal to now the screen, but the little screen, like we put the little alphabets. And in here we say Tim that shape is equal to turtle, means this Tim, the turtle is the turtle shape is turtle, because when we didn't put this, we're gonna see this. We're gonna see a little arrow or a little mouse. What we gonna say to that? And it's look like not even a turtle, but we can make it shape to turtle. Wait, here Tim dot shape to the turtle, and then Tim dot color green. We say the turtle's color is gonna be green, and then def or def move forward. The move forward function is equal to Tim dot forward 20, means 20 pixels forward, and then def or def move backwards, means the backward function, and then Tim dot backward 20 pixels, and then like this, like def move left new to heading is equal to Tim dot heading plus 20, because when we say left, we're gonna go like left with the 20 pixels up, and on the right we're gonna minimize 20 pixels down, and then Tim dot set heading new heading. Next is def clear screen. How it's a function that we clear the screen. Like first when we run we can draw, but we can't clean it, and then we need to clean it. We say clear the screen, Tim dot clear, Tim dot pin up, Tim dot home, and Tim dot pin down. Like first you're gonna clean all over you draw, then pin it up that you didn't draw again when you go home, and then Tim dot home, now go home and pin down, like a machine that when it's print anything, it's gonna finish and the next page. And then we say screen dot listen to these, like when we push or press any button like W, S, A, D or C, it's gonna listen and do whatever we put on it. Okay, screen.on key, the key is W. What is the W doing on the key? Okay, the function is to move forward. All of the games for computer, the W key is for moving forward, S is for moving backward, A is for moving left, and D is moving right. And what is C? Okay, C is for clearing the page. Look, when I draw, I can now clear. When I press C, not any key, not any more key, just C, we can see it's go. When we do like that, when it's go home, first here pin app, clear everything, and then pin app, and it's going home and it's restarting. Look, yeah, and that is this much. Like that's a simple one. You can do it, or you can move these like from 20 to 40. This one's too. And then like these 40 or whatever you want, because 20 pixels is a little low, because you can move so faster. Now I can move so faster with these. And now you can draw whatever you want. Like it's gonna go back with S, it's gonna go forward with W, it's gonna go left, with A, and D for right. And now we managed to complete one task. Like we have like 2 tasks, and from here in this, I have a drawing, like a drawing for with the symbols, and with typing, not a GPG or Pixelic, Pixelic images. It's with symbols or like anything else. And I say total racing is equal to 3 dashes. I think it's dash. With the 3 ones on the back and front. You're gonna do this with. I'm gonna do this for you guys. You can delete this. You're gonna write total racing is equal to 3 dashes, I think, and then 2 enters, and then you're gonna Control V this. Okay, where you can find it? You can find from ASCII. Wait, I'm gonna search it because I forgot that too. Maybe it's ASCII. I know it's ASCII, but I didn't know how to spell it. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. You're gonna search ASCII art like mine. You didn't gonna search anything else, because you can find it from here, and you're gonna go to the draw with typing, or like this, and you're gonna type your title, and it's gonna give you the symbol drawing, not Pixelic drawing. You can upload any Pixelic drawing to the symbol, like it can transfer the pixel pictures to the symbol pictures, or the codec pictures. And now when we finish this, we're gonna go to the second task. It says it's a little long, but it's I love that. You can, when I run, it says which turtle is gonna win? I'm gonna say red, and it's interesting. This is yellow. I don't think any of you gonna see this, and yeah, I lose. The purple turtle